In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Facebook page events widget into your Wix site, making it a breeze for your visitors to stay updated with your upcoming events. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to sign up for or log in to a service similar to Sociable Kit. Not familiar with it? No worries, it's a nifty service that allows you to create customizable widgets for your website, like Facebook page events. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for embedding your events on your Wix site. Once you're logged in, the next thing you need to do is create a Facebook page events widget. This widget will act as the bridge between your Facebook events and your website. The great thing about Sociable Kit is the flexibility it offers. You can customize the widget's appearance to match the design and feel of your site. So take a moment to explore the various styling options. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and click on the Embed on Website button to generate the embed code. Copy this code, as it will be key to displaying your events later on. With the embed code in hand, you're ready to move on to the second part of the process, adding the code to your Wix site. Start by logging into your Wix account. Once logged in, locate and open the page where you'd like to showcase your events. You'll need to add a new element to this page, so look for the Add Elements option or something similar, which might vary slightly depending on the version of Wix you're using. Once you're in the right section, navigate to the Embed area. This section contains various ways to integrate external content into your site. Here, drag and drop the Embed a Site or Embed Code element directly onto your desired page. Now you'll see a placeholder on your page where your widget will eventually live. Click on the Enter Code or Change Website Address button associated with this element. What you want to do next is simple. Paste the embed code you copied earlier into the provided field. This code is essentially the blueprint for your events widget. Don't forget to click Apply or Save to ensure the code is locked in. At this point, your widget is on the page, but it may not quite fit perfectly yet. Feel free to adjust the sizing of the embed box to make sure it integrates smoothly with the rest of your content. Once you're happy with how everything looks, save your changes and publish your page. That's it. You'll now have a live feed of your Facebook events for all your visitors to see and engage with. And there you have it, a fully functional embedded Facebook page events widget on your Wix site. This addition should help keep your audience informed and engaged with the happenings of your organization, all in a few simple steps. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding.